What does a civil engineer do? Civil engineers are responsible for the design, construction and maintenance of roads, bridges, homes, offices, schools, hospitals, supermarkets, stations, airports, railways and other structures. Engineers perform structural analysis, select materials, make sure that buildings are energy efficient, safe and livable, that is, equipped with building services systems such as heating, ventilation, air conditioning systems, plumbing and many more. Engineers are also responsible for construction process planning and management of building sites. Civil engineering is one of the oldest professions which will always be in demand, as it includes not only building of new structures but also renovation of old ones, demolition, rebuilding and repurposing. Buildings and infrastructure of cities are ever changing. Obviously, it is not easy to decide what projects you would like to work on the most. The good news is that if you start studying at the Faculty of Civil Engineering and Architecture of Conus University of Technology, you will only need to enroll into one civil engineering program. During the first years of your studies, you will learn the basics needed for a successful career in civil engineering. You will be able to experience the different fields and aspects of engineering, and after the second year of your studies, you will be able to choose your specialization: structural engineering, construction technology, building services systems engineering. What lies behind these specializations? Structural engineers are responsible for stability of structures so that those structures withstand the loads of wind, snow, people, equipment and other factors. This requires selection of appropriate elements, materials, and often includes computational simulations. Construction technology engineers, also called construction engineers, focus on construction planning, overseeing of construction, and prefabrication of building elements. This requires skills in management, communication, and planning. Building services engineers ensure thermal comfort, air quality in buildings, water supply, and many more. They design systems that make buildings livable, but also make sure that buildings are energy efficient and equipped with renewable energy sources. Of course, engineers working in these fields can do much more than we can tell you in this brief video. Whatever specialization you choose at Conus University of Technology, you will gain skills in teamwork, which are essential for engineers. You will work on a joint project together with students from other specializations and students of architecture. This project allows students of all specializations to gain skills in teamwork and digital workflows. You will develop your project using building information modeling methodology, most commonly known by the abbreviation BIM. The construction sector is undergoing rapid digitalization, with lots of computer-aided design tools, reality scanning and detection done by drones, 3D printed structures or building elements. Be ready to embrace these innovations. Whichever specialization you choose, you will gain a Bachelor of Science degree in civil engineering, and you will be able to gain deeper knowledge or choose other specializations of civil engineering if you decide to continue your studies at the master's level. Why choose Conus University of Technology and Lithuania? We have 100 years of experience in research and education in civil engineering and architecture, with more than 15,000 graduates of our faculty. In Europe, the civil engineering sector accounts for almost 10% of GDP. It's becoming more and more international. Lithuania is one of the countries with growing export of civil engineering products and services. And this is the culture that we nurture at KTU: internationality, interdisciplinarity, entrepreneurial mindset. KTU is a member of the European Consortium of Innovative Universities. You will be able to join ECIU student challenges or use Erasmus Plus mobility. Choose civil engineering studies at KTU and let's build the world together. More information: fcea.ktu.edu.